Right, let's begin with the breaking news that's come in. A bridge collapse has occurred at Pune's Kundmala. 25 to 30 tourists are feared swept away in the Indrayani River. We're also learning that a bridge over this river collapsed in the rural area of Pune's Kundmala. My colleague Rucha is joining us with more on this. Rucha, this is extremely concerning. Get us more details of what exactly happened.
Well, this is a shocking incident coming forward, and today is a Sunday when lots of tourists had gone to this waterfall. Kundmala waterfall is a famous tourist place in Pune's Mawar area, and while they were on route to this waterfall, the tourists were traveling, and suddenly the bridge collapsed, and the people, there were about 25 to 30 tourists present on the spot who are feared to be drowned, who have been swept away in the water, is what the initial reports are suggesting. Now the local authorities, the rescue teams are on spot helping the people, but this is a very concerning incident, especially after special alerts were issued regarding the weather, because since past 2-3 days there's heavy to extremely heavy rainfall reported in Pune's rural area. Now according to the IMD's alert, it was orange alert in the Ghats of Pune and yellow alert in the district, Pune city district, but the tourists may have ignored the alerts and continued with their tourism plan. Now today is a Sunday. On Sundays people in a very large scale travel to these tourist destinations, and out of one was this Kundmala waterfall, where the people were traveling and also said to be in their vehicles. Some were standing, taking pictures, taking selfies and photographs while the bridge collapsed. Now this is a very old bridge which was connecting the rural Pune with the other parts of Pune, and now the rescue teams are on the spot, and the maximum help from the local government, local authorities, as well as the people, the villagers are also reaching the spot to help the people to find more people who may have drowned in the running river, which was the Indrayani River of Pune.
Rucha, as far as the weather is concerned, you did say that, there have been alerts issued. Any guideline, any advisory that has been issued by authorities for tourists as well as locals?
Well, especially in Maharashtra, the alert was already issued since past 2-3 days. Heavy to very heavy rainfall is reported in the areas of Pune and the nearby districts. Now, despite the alert being issued, the orange alert, which is alerting the residents as well as the tourists not to go to such places, not to travel in remote areas where the Ghats of Pune were already on orange alert. The tourists continued with their plan. They should have been alerted about the weather conditions, and then should have continued with the plan, but nobody had this in mind that a bridge can lead to this situation, and heavy rainfall was there, which is why it was favorable conditions is what they thought for traveling to such a destination, which was a famous waterfall of Kundmala, which is located in Mawal Taluka of Pune. Now this is the reason that it is monsoon season, it's summer vacations in Maharashtra still, where on a Sunday morning lots of people had gone to this place to enjoy the waterfall, and during their journey this unfortunate incident has come ahead.
All right, Rucha, thanks very much for joining us at the moment. I'm also joined on the phone line by Anand Dubey of Shiv Sena UBT. Mr. Dubey, this is an extremely shocking and concerning incident. 25 to 30 people have been swept away. Your first thoughts?
Hello, very shocking news, ma'am. We are also watching the news. ये जो इंद्रायणी नदी के ऊपर ब्रिज बना हुआ है, जिससे जो बह गया और लोग इसमें बह गए हैं 25-30 लोग, इस ब्रिज को अच्छे से बनाने के लिए कई बार वहां के लोकल रहवासियों ने, लोकल नेताओं ने महानगर पालिका को चिट्ठी लिखी कि आप इसे ठीक करिए, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से कहा कि आप ठीक करिए, बट गवर्नमेंट तो दूसरे ही कामों में व्यस्त है। अब आप बताइए, अगर इसको ठीक किया गया होता, ये पुराना ब्रिज था, ये अगर नहीं, ये अगर अच्छे से रहा होता तो आज ये बड़ा हादसा नहीं हुआ था ना। दिस इज अनफॉर्चुनेट। एंड उसका कौन है जिम्मेदार? हमारे देश में हो क्या रहा है? कहीं हवा सुरक्षित नहीं है, न जल सुरक्षित है, न सड़क मार्ग सुरक्षित है। मतलब लोग जाएं तो जाएं कहाँ, करें तो करें क्या, कुछ कोई समझ नहीं रहा। और ये सरकारें पल्ला झाड़ के निकल जाती हैं। अब एक इंक्वायरी बैठेगी, कुछ बाबुओं को पकड़ा जाएगा, बट इससे क्या होगा मैम? ये तो लोग मरते ही जा रहे हैं, पता नहीं क्या हुआ है। और खास करके पुणे में तो पिछले कई वर्षों से महानगर पालिका के इलेक्शंस नहीं हुए, वहां पर न कोई ठीक से ध्यान देता है। तो ऑलरेडी पुणे में तो बहुत तकलीफ है, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर भी ठीक नहीं है, अब तो लोग टूरिस्ट जो है वो भी सुरक्षित नहीं है।
तो अभी आपका प्लान ऑफ एक्शन क्या रहेगा आगे, आनंद दुबे जी?
प्लान ऑफ एक्शन ही रहेगा कि सरकार को जगाना पड़ेगा। सरकार कुंभकर्ण की नींद में सोई हुई है। सेंटर में बीजेपी, स्टेट में बीजेपी, कॉर्पोरेशन में बीजेपी के लोग, फिर भी अगर ऐसे ब्रिजेस जो पुराने हैं, जर्जर हैं, डैमेज होने के कगार पे, अगर उन्हें हम नहीं बना पा रहे हैं तो अजीत पवार खुद पुणे से आते हैं, डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं, मुरलीधर मोहोड वहीं से आते हैं, सेंट्रल में मिनिस्टर है, देवेंद्र जी भी बार बार पुणे जाते रहते हैं। तो अभी लोग को क्या कहें, आप ही बताइए ना। हम क्या कहें? वी आर इन अपोजिशन, हम कह सकते हैं, करना तो इनके हाथ में है पावर।
चलिए ठीक है आनंद दुबे जी, थैंक्स वेरी मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस ऑन टाइम्स नाउ। ऑफ कोर्स anger simmering after this incident. There is of course authorities that have been pressed into action as far as the rescue operations are concerned. Listen in to some reactions and opinions that have come forth.
अभी हमको चैलेंज तो है कि ये ब्रिज कोलाब जो है उसके नीचे लोग फंसे हुए हैं, आप देख सकते हो वहाँ पे, उसको निकालना अभी हमारे आगे एक चैलेंज है। अभी हमने गैस कटर मंगाया है और आगे जाके हम लोग को कार्रवाई करेंगे। यस, हमारी टीम यहाँ पे वन्यजीव रक्षक मावल संस्था, शिवदुर्ग लोनावला और आपदा मित्र मावल, ये टीम यहाँ पे काम कर रही है। किस तरीके का रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन यहाँ पे चल रहा है? सर ये थोड़ा सा क्रिटिकल है क्योंकि दोनों बाजू आप देख रहे हैं फुल प्रेशर में पानी है, यहाँ पे बहुत डिफिकल्टी आ रही है, तो भी हम लोग प्रयास कर रहे हैं। बहुत से लोगों को अभी तक निकाला गया है, कुछ लोग अभी भी फंसे हुए हैं। आपका नाम? सरजेश पाटिल नाम है मेरा। दिलीप।
All right, my colleague Rucha is with us for the latest on this. Rucha, what's the latest that you're picking up as far as rescue operations are concerned? We are getting for our viewers visuals of the rescue ops being carried out at the moment.
Now, since there were a lot of people present there, the help was immediately given. The people who were living in the nearby villages had reached there immediately, as well as the rescue teams had arrived on time, which is why some people are said to be in safe condition. 6 to 7 people is what we are understanding are rescued as of now. Search operations are still continued, and the local authorities have also reached the spot to save more and more people they can. And as we can see in the visuals, the bridge is completely broken, and it looks like there were only pedestrians present on the bridge who were said to be having enjoying their moment during this monsoon, enjoying the rains and taking pictures with their families and friends. And the visuals also tell us that how the flow of Indrayani river is very high, that it is very difficult to help people even in the flow to stop them from drowning. But the locals, the villagers had first reached the spot, and since there were a lot of tourists also present there, the people tried to save many people, and as of now what we are learning is 6 to 7 people who were stuck under the bridge have been rescued so far, and the search operation for the others who are likely to be drowned or have been swept away are being searched by the rescue teams.